So, regarding the parameters of water quality, the meaning of that sentence means what are the important features that we should look into while checking the quality of a water. When we can say that water is of good quality, it should meet certain standards or certain minimum features that show that makes a water of good quality, of drinking quality. First is acidity. Acidity, you may be knowing that we are usually checking the acidity by means of a pH value. So normally there is a value called 7. pH value 7 means neutral pH. So water near the neutral pH, maybe between 6.5 and 7.5, are generally considered to be of not much problem for drinking. So around 7, if it is 7, that is best. But if it is slightly more than 7 or slightly less than 7, still it is okay. So then alkalinity. If the alkalinity of water is more than 8, the pH value is more than 8, then it is not good for it cannot be considered as a good quality water or a potable water. Then presence of ammonia. So if there are some kind of pollution, ammonia may be present in water. So excess amount of urea can be converted into ammonia. Many other biopollutants can make ammonia. So presence of ammonia is not good. Then BOD, biological oxygen demand. Biological oxygen demand is directly related to how much quantity of decaying matter is present. If more decaying matter is present, decaying means presence of plant remains or presence of animal remains. What happens is that these remains of plants or animals will be decaying, and that decaying process will be taking a lot of oxygen. So all the oxygen present in the water will be removed, and water will be containing little oxygen. And that water is also not safe for drinking. So BOD is an indicator. So the BOD of the water should be of normal level. If it is less than the normal value, you cannot call it as a safe drinking water. So that is another parameter. Then conductivity. Conductivity means electrical conductivity. Electrical conductivity means there are two electrodes are there, and we are passing electricity. If very less electricity is passing through that, then we can say that water contains a less amount of organic or inorganic matter. If more electricity is passing through that, it shows that there is a high amount of pollutants or high amount of organic or inorganic particles in the water. So that is how the electrical conductivity and pollutants are related. If more electricity is passing through the water, that means more amount of pollutants will be present in the water. Then dissolved oxygen. Normally dissolved oxygen will be of a value above 6. So if it is below 3 or below up to a level of 2, then that water may not be safe for drinking. Then fecal coliform. Fecal coliform is the bacteria present in fecal matter, especially human fecal matter, and that will be causing lot of disease like diarrhea, dysentery, cholera, typhoid, etc. So if these bacteria are present in water, still it is not safe for drinking. Then hardness of the water. If you take sea water or water from an ocean, it is more hard. So, for example, if you are going to a seashore area and if you take water from a well or from a pond, that water may not be good for bath, bathing or washing purpose, because the soap won't be easier, the soap won't mix properly, the lather of the soap may not be forming properly, or form of the soap may not be forming properly. So such water is also not good. Then presence of heavy metal, for example, mercury. Mercury, if it is an important, if it is present in water, it can cause a lot of diseases like Minamata disease. So it is a heavy metal. Heavy metal normally affect our intestine, especially if you are taking a water containing a lot of heavy metal. What happens is that it can cause precipitation or destruction of protein present in our stomach and intestine. So that will be leading to the death of the person gradually. Then nitrate. Nitrate can come into water because if we are using fertilizer, this fertilizer can run off during a rainy season and reach a well water or a pond water. and that nitrate can be harmful for the body. Then organic nitrogen is another factor coming along with the nitrate. Then presence of nitrogen, ammonia, then phosphorus. All these are actually coming into water because of the agriculture runoff. Then pH we have already discussed. Then regarding the total solid, how much amount of organic particle or inorganic particle are present in water? That is an idea. If more total solid, it means the water is more polluted. If less total solid means it is safe for drink. Then temperature. If the temperature of the water is very high, then it is also not good for. Then turbidity. For example, during rainy season, in many rivers, we can see an orange color or yellow color. That is because of the turbidity. The turbidity is usually caused by the presence of a lot of silt or sand particles floating in that water or suspended in that water. That is how the turbidity of the water is coming in. So high turbidity means not safe for drinking. So this is a general idea regarding what are the important parameters that we are using in the checking of water quality. So now we go to the next topic, that is the fecal bacteria. Earlier we have been discussing about fecal bacteria, the importance of fecal bacteria. Now coming to the fecal